be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga, I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven, I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, let's have our 254 man back with another one. As you can see, we got the wheel off. Getting into replacing the shocks. As you can see, it's an old shock. If it's anything indicative of what the rear end was like, you know, it still had the AC Delco joints on there from when it was first made, then this is probably the same truth for these here. So as you can see, I pushed it in, it didn't even come back out. Basically had to pull it back out there. That's not the way it came out of the car, because of course it, you know, doesn't travel that far. However, if you look at, I mean, the length is about the same, but when you press this one in, when you push this one in though, comes back out like it should. And like I said, the travel ain't even really that far when it's installed on the car. But versus this one, once you travel, that's it. No more bounce to the ounce in these. So getting rid of these and putting on the new ones. OE Spectrums from Monroe. Part number is 5840. Just in case the local parts guy can't get it right. Everybody can't have a me around them. So I got one side off. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together and then cut y'all back on with it. Alright, so as you can see, we got it back together. Some people might be like, why you ain't going ahead and doing the spindles right now? Why you ain't going ahead and doing the springs? I want to see what difference the shock's gonna make by itself. You know what I'm saying? Baby step it. And then I also want to go ahead and do when I do the springs, I'm gonna do the spindles at the same time. So it'll be one shot, one kill on them bad boys. But for right now, just the shocks. See if it's gonna lift it up a little bit. Like I said, I'm pretty certain, judging by them. Yeah, judging by them, it'll probably definitely sit up some. So the shock will be able to assist the spring. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna get off in here. There's a little spot where they kind of pull the trim out. I'm gonna bend that back in. Bend it back in like that, so it don't be cutting up our tire. Make sure we screw it down so it's secured. We're gonna be good to go. Move to the other side. All right, so we got the other side out. For some reason, I remember this being more painful than it actually was, but came out pretty smooth, pretty easy. Still got some daylight, didn't take all night. Probably with the springs, it would have took a little bit more, but you know, we'll get prepped for that. We're gonna set it back down and see how she sit. Hopefully, and I'm pretty sure that she'll sit a little bit higher. And then, you know, the front end will be a little bit more supported. Alright, so this is the video after took it down, spun it around. I forgot my credentials at the crib. So but it seems to definitely be more supported in the front. Them shocks definitely helping it out. So didn't really have a plan on changing it out, so we'll see. I think I might want to put a dash in